Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to watch StreamEast on your FireStick. StreamEast is a fantastic option for streaming live sports, including football, basketball, and more. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Prepare your FireStick. First, make sure your FireStick is connected to your TV and powered on. Navigate to the home screen and go to the search icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Search for Downloader app. Type in Downloader using the on-screen keyboard and select it from the suggestions. If you haven't installed it yet, click on Download and wait for it to install. Step 3. Install Downloader app. Once installed, open the Downloader app. In the URL field, enter the URL to download the StreamEast APK. You can find the URL in the video description below. Click Go to download the APK file. Step 4. Install StreamEast APK. After the download is complete, click on Install to install the StreamEast app on your FireStick. Wait for the installation process to finish. Step 5. Launch StreamEast app. Once installed, click on Open to launch the StreamEast app. You may need to grant any necessary permissions. Step 6. Enjoy streaming. That's it. You've successfully installed StreamEast on your FireStick. Now you can enjoy streaming live sports and events right from your TV. Browse through the categories, select your desired sport, and start watching. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you can easily watch StreamEast on your FireStick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.